Hello, Bros AgriTech fans. Today, let's dive into the powerful and fascinating world of forestry, where cutting-edge machines and skilled operators work together to create an efficient and sustainable wood production process. Embark on an adventure with a skilled lumberjack. The chainsaw roars as each powerful cut makes the giant tree tremble until it finally falls with a thunderous crash, shaking the entire forest. To make the work more efficient, powerful machines play a key role. One of them is Dipper Fox, a special tool, not just an ordinary stump grinder, but a machine with up to 100 horsepower, ready to tackle any challenge in the deep woods. With smart design and advanced drilling technology, Dipper Fox makes it easy to remove stubborn stumps without wasting too much time or energy. It works efficiently on different types of trees, offering great flexibility for users. Not only does it boost productivity, but Dipper Fox also helps protect the environment, making logging more sustainable than ever. Another powerful machine in the industry is the LogMax 4000B, a true warrior in forestry. With its strong and precise cutting ability, this machine processes large trees efficiently. Its advanced technology saves fuel and reduces environmental impact while delivering outstanding performance. Designed for durability and ease of use, the LogMax 4000B ensures smooth operation even in the toughest conditions. Among top logging machines, the Komatsu 951C164 stands out for power and efficiency. It features a 7.4-liter AGCO power engine with 290 horsepower, handling any terrain with ease. The C164 harvesting head cuts and processes wood at high speed, boosting productivity. With superior strength and non-stop performance, the Komatsu 951C164 is the top choice for professional logging companies. Another impressive name in forestry is the TigerCat 870C. This specialized feller buncher features a powerful engine, usually Cummins or FPT, with up to 300 horsepower. It quickly fells large trees and bunches them together for easy transport. With high efficiency, durability, flexibility, and safety, the TigerCat 870C is an essential tool in the logging industry. After harvesting, loading heavy logs onto trucks requires precision and skill. A forestry excavator approaches the logs, using clamps or hooks to hold them securely before lifting them with powerful hydraulics. This task demands close coordination between the machine operator and the ground team to ensure maximum safety and efficiency. Throughout the process, operators must be mindful of the environment, avoiding damage to the natural ecosystem. To make lifting and loading even more efficient, the Palfinger Epsilon M12L is an excellent solution. This hydraulic crane is designed for forestry work, featuring a strong build, long reach, and exceptional lifting power. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine ranging from 150 to 250 horsepower, depending on the model, the Palfinger Epsilon M12L meets the demands of heavy-duty lifting. Its advanced control system allows for smooth and precise operation on various trucks, making log handling faster and more accurate. On the winding, rugged forest roads, a massive logging truck appears like a beast in the wild landscape. The muddy roads, scattered rocks, and steep hills seem ready to swallow the truck at any moment. The long truck, loaded with towering logs, sways as if about to tip over. Under its tough exterior, a powerful engine roars, struggling to overcome the harsh terrain. The truck driver is not just a driver, but a true artist, a forest knight. His skilled hands control the truck with remarkable precision, maneuvering it like a dance, moving forward, reversing, and avoiding obstacles with calculated ease. His sharp eyes constantly scan the truck's movements, the logs, and the rocky path to ensure a safe journey. A logging truck is the result of perfect teamwork between the driver and the machine, creating a force to be reckoned with. For the driver, the truck is more than just a tool for making a living. It is a source of pride, a testament to skill and dedication. The truck, bearing the marks of time and countless challenging journeys, represents endurance, determination, and the fearless spirit of those who drive it. Carrying towering logs, the truck embodies the beauty of labor, a symbol of human strength and expertise, even in the roughest terrains. In forestry, logging and wood processing machines play a key role in increasing productivity and optimizing operations. One notable machine is the John Deere 753J, powered by a John Deere 6081H engine with 241 horsepower, allowing it to work powerfully even on difficult terrain. It cuts, bundles, and, with a processing head, even debranches and grinds wood on site. This versatility helps streamline the entire logging process. Another powerful option is the TimberPro TL 725-B with a 330 horsepower Cummins QSL9 engine for high performance in tough conditions. It can also be fitted with a processing head for tasks like debranching, cutting, and chipping wood directly in the forest, enhancing wood production efficiency. After logging, wood processing continues with specialized equipment like the Gens Chipper Truck Hybrid. This advanced mobile wood chipper combines a powerful diesel engine, such as MAN, for movement and a high-performance electric motor for chipping. The hybrid technology reduces fuel consumption, lowers emissions, and minimizes noise during operation. Its strong chipping system and modern filtering ensure efficient wood processing for various uses. Before wood processing begins, the Meber SLH 1200 efficiently removes bark from logs up to 1200 millimeters in diameter and 5 meters long. With a 22 kilowatt engine, it optimizes raw materials for the next steps. Its durability and adjustable settings ensure high quality input for further processing. For firewood production, the SpaltFix K650 Vario is a popular machine due to its outstanding performance. It can cut and split logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter with a splitting force of 16 tons, producing uniform firewood pieces. With multiple engine options, electric, diesel, or PTO, a supercut 90 centimeter saw, and a flexible Vario splitting system, the SpaltFix K650 Vario meets the demands of large-scale firewood production. Powerful combination of Spalt Buffel 2 and Valtra 8550 offers a robust and flexible wood processing solution. The Spalt Buffel 2, a high-durability log splitter from Bosch, handles large logs with ease. Meanwhile, the Valtra 8550, known as a true workhorse, is powered by an AGCO power engine with over 150 horsepower. It not only supplies energy for the Spalt Buffel 2, but also moves the system to different work sites. With a strong hydraulic system and versatile blades, this setup smoothly splits even the hardest logs. In woodworking, portable sawmills are essential for producing uniform planks. Equipped with sharp alloy blades and a diesel-powered chain and gear transmission system, these sawmills ensure stable and efficient cutting. The adjustable cutting speed allows optimization for different wood types while minimizing vibrations. As the saw blade moves horizontally, each wooden slab is cut precisely and smoothly. Additionally, the dust extraction and sawdust blowing system keeps the work area clean. After cutting, craftsmen refine the wood using specialized turning knives. This precise process removes thin wood layers, creating smooth surfaces and shaping the final product. Depending on the design, special turning tools carve intricate details such as grooves, patterns, or artistic textures. Precision turning ensures the final product has the correct shape and dimensions. The final sanding step smooths the wood before finishing. Using different grades of sandpaper, workers carefully remove scratches, achieving a polished surface. The final coat of paint or varnish not only protects the wood from environmental effects, but also enhances the grain and decorative details, ensuring a high-quality finish. From harvesting to processing, every machine plays a crucial role in the wood production cycle. The combination of skilled workers and modern technology has propelled the forestry industry to new heights. What do you think about these powerful forestry machines? Which one impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to Bros AgriTech for more exciting content about high-tech forestry and agriculture. See you in the next video.